So we're going to find the first and second derivatives of this function to calculate the second derivative of the function in terms of x. So let's find our first and second derivatives. So the first derivative, which I'm going to write as dy dx, equals 3 times 5x plus 3 squared times the derivative of 5x plus 3, which is 5. So this is 15 times 5x plus 3 squared. Okay. So now our second derivative, d squared y over dx squared, equals 15 times 2 times 5x plus 3 times 5. So we have 150 times 5x plus 3. Okay. So now let's plug these in to that formula. I'm going to write it here. Negative 150 times 5x plus 3 times, just kidding, wrote them backwards. This is 3, and this is 150 times 5x plus 3. So now we want to know what it is at our given y. But as you see, there's no y's in these equations. We need to find what x is. So if we say y equals 27 equals 5x plus 3 cubed, let's take the cube root of both sides. So we end up with 3 equals 5x plus 3. This parentheses is irrelevant. Let's subtract 3 from both sides. So we have 0 equals 5x. Divide 0 and 5x by 5, and you get 0 equals x. So now, if I'm just going to rewrite this here on this other board, so we have d squared x over dy squared, which we had was negative 5x plus 3 squared. So now we know that x is equal to 0. So let's plug that in. So we have negative 15 times, well, if x is 0, 5x is 0. So 0 plus 3 is just 3 squared. So negative 3 times 150 times 3. So this is equal to negative 15 times 9. So d squared y over dx squared is equal to negative 135 to the negative third times 450 at y equals 27.